To start a list, here we have option number and here bullets. Okay, so I'm clicking here, and now the first number starts from here. Now here I'm going to start typing. Now when I press enter here, second number will automatically, and then I can start typing another name like this. Okay, and here different options are there. For example, I am selecting Australia and I am clicking on this. Okay, so you can see that it is now subtopic of this one. Okay, it is under this number. Okay, like this. Now Australia, now I'm selecting this, move up, move down. Okay, now Australia comes at first place, and now it is on third place like this. So we can change order of this list using this features of bullets and numbering. When you click here, okay, this is bullets and numbering option. Here different bullets are there. This is for unordered list wherein there is no order 1 2 3 4 like that. So again I am going to start with this list. Okay, from here, for example, we are going to start with this. Okay, like this, and then the numbering type also you can select different types in numbering. Then these are graphical bullets. Then position also you can select, and these are different options or levels. Now check spelling and grammar feature of this writer. So under tools there is spelling and grammar option, and the shortcut key is F7. So for that, first of all, click at the starting point and press F7, or from tools select spelling and grammar check. Now here it is showing continue checking at beginning of document. Yes. Okay. The spell check is complete. That means there is no error in this document. Now to select a particular word, go to that word and double click on that anywhere between or from starting to end in on that word. For example, double click this. Okay, and triple click will select the whole paragraph. This is triple click. Now there is word count feature, how many words we have used in the document. When we click here, it is showing us number of words are 95 and characters are 465. Now we are going to use auto text option. For example, to the principal XYZ is, and for example, Baroda. And now select this text. Okay, then edit. Auto text option is there. Okay, auto text, and the shortcut key is Control plus F3. Okay, now this is name we can give. For example, and close it. Okay, for example, ABC I am writing, and here it is shortcut. Okay, here it is shortcut. Okay, and then this is my auto text option. Okay, and shortcut key is A. And now here click on new. Okay, and then close this. Okay, and now we are coming here. And now when you want to insert it, edit, auto text, and ABC, and then go to insert. Okay, you can get it here. So some text that you want frequently to be typed, for example your address or your email ID, something like that, that requires frequent typing in different documents, that you can save it in auto text, and whenever it is required you can bring it on your screen without typing. So you can save time, as well as you can avoid typing mistakes. Okay, now on this taskbar you can see that insert is there. Okay, insert means when I click somewhere and when I start typing, for example principal again, at that time the text on its right hand side moves further on right. Okay, and now I am pressing insert from keyboard. Okay, on keyboard there is insert button that I am going to press. Now you can see here over is written. This is over typing mode. Okay, so now as soon as I start typing, it will override the existing text. Okay, so this is insert mode and overtype mode of text. Now select the text, go to format, then change case. For example, if I want this in uppercase, format, change case, and uppercase. Now you can see this, it is converted into uppercase. Now here we can see that this is sentence case. That means the first letter in the sentence is capital. Uh, and now I want to, it is in sentence, convert it into sentence case. So this is sentence. For example, lowercase. Okay, I can see that the first T that was capital, it is converted into small. Okay, so this way we can select the text and change it, the case of that text. Now you can see here this is total case. So whatever was in small is converted into capital, capital in small. Okay, it was in small, now it is converted into capital. And this you can see in capital. We are going to convert it into using total case. We are going to make it that smaller in smaller case.